Ginger is a great crop because you kind of set it and forget it for the season. There's nothing really to do once you plant it. But there's a little prep work when you do get it that's gonna make everything easier. That's gonna make it grow faster, get an early start on it. And if you have heated tables, that's gonna help a lot because you really want to get it up to temperature. So what you're doing is you're putting it in trays, and you want holes on the bottom. These are trays with holes. Just a single tray. And then what you do is, whether it's turmeric or ginger, is you put it on a single layer inside the tray. Just a single layer, nice and tight at the bottom of the tray. Right, and here it's all very, very tight. And then you just put a light covering on top, just so you're covering them. And that's of potting soil. The potting soil is going to be the best, right? That can drain really, really well. Right, and then you put it on heat, or you put it in your house, nice warm temperature, above 65. You want it really warm. And within hopefully 3 weeks, you're going to start to see some sprouting of it. You don't want them to get too wet. You want them to, be watered, but not be sitting in slop. They're going to start to rot. It's going to be pretty bad. So that means you don't want to put too much soil on, right? So that they can dry out. They don't need the soil. The soil is just kind of holding the moisture around them so that they sprout, right? Even if you see a few, that's not really a big deal. Right, so if you get them sprouted, you're going to sprout. Once they get about this much green above the tray, that's when you can start thinking about planting them out. They can get, as tall as this if you want, but really that's the stage, ideal, where, which is 2 to 3 inches above the soil, where you can plant them and get a nice early start.